The team of Dr. Tracey Rouault in the U.S. National Institute of Child and Human Development has found new ways to halt the spread of COVID-19. Rouault's discovered a drug that can be effective in shutting down the RNA-dependent RNA polymerase, also known as the RdRp of the coronavirus. The drug called Tempol can be orally administered in patients, which effectively checks the virus from replicating inside the human body. The coronavirus is dependent on the RdRp to multiply inside the human body. Once the virus reaches the human cell, it uses the RdRp to copy its genetic load and reproduce itself. Crashing the RdRp could stop the multiplication of the virus and curb the disease from spreading further. The studies previously conducted on the RdRp of the coronavirus indicated that it needs zinc to transfer the genetic load. However, it has been found that clusters of iron and sulfur, which are less stable, can also achieve the same. The research team examined the enzyme sequence to find potential site for such clusters. They discovered that the enzyme uses iron and sulfur more than zinc to function optimally. The research team thus omitted the iron-sulfur clusters from the RdRp and found that the protein's ability to copy the genetic material of the virus was damaged. The scientists further researched if the clusters can be impaired by drugs and discovered that Tempol halted RdRp when tested on human cells. Upon testing the drug on cells infected by the coronavirus, the researchers found that it impaired the enzyme's ability for replicating the virus. Animal studies of Tempol demonstrate that it inhibits the spread of the virus in several other diseases post-oral administration. Dr. Rouault's team saying that Tempol does not appear to have serious side effects. However, the doctor says that clinical studies would be required to cement their claims. The results of this study were published on the 3rd of June.